BassPro is an awesome shop, and we're going to sleep here tonight.
They're always very welcome for RVers, so that's what we like. Better than being kicked out of a Walmart where you're not allowed to park anymore. Time of the month again.
Alrighty then.
And we're almost out of water. After 2 weeks, so it's earlier than previous times, that we went to a gas station and asked if we can use some water, and that was fine. So we're filling a water tank again.
Channels in Virginia
with all kind of rocks formation where you can walk through. At the parking lot there was a sign that the area is closed, and we were like,
didn't see it.
Screw them, we'll just walk. So we walked for, let's say, 2.5 miles. And then we got stopped by a police officer. And he was like, what you doing here? Didn't you see the signs?
And we were like, well, we did see the signs, but it was not for now, right? It was COVID-19 was till the end of April. And he said, well, not in Virginia. In Virginia is it till June 11th.
Yeah, well, we came from Georgia, and regulations for the COVID-19 were lifted on May 1st. So yeah, we were like, that's the same here, right? I don't know, different state, different policies. So you have to turn back. Okay, have a good one.
So we turned around and we saw 2 other people trying to get up, so we warned them. Well, they
also
returned as well. But it was a nice hike, but it was all the way up, steep, kind of steep, and we didn't see the channel. So maybe we go here another time. But for you, we will put some images of the channels in there, so you can see what we missed. Here, please stay on the trails, but because the guy told us that people going off the trails and they ruin a special kind of plant that's growing on the rocks, and they kick over rocks and they destroy everything. So go here, but leave the nature the way it is, because it's beautiful, and stay on the trails. Please.
Somebody doesn't like this sign. They shot it. We're at the new Gorge River Bridge in Lafayette, West Virginia.
Yay! We did it!
Finally we made it!
It's a nice trail and the bridge is gorgeous over a gorge. So check it out with us.
Gorgeous gorge.
Haha. Hey you, Rocksteady crew. You're as small as an ant.
Huh?
You're as small as an ant.
I have an ant.
No, you're not. No, it's falling.
Whoa!
Look above you, there's also one that's falling down.
Oh my god! Help! Help!
The rock formations along this trail are awesome. It's beautiful. Wonder what this is. Is it a kind of fungus? I don't know. It seems that it's growing everywhere. Or it looks like dead leaves. I don't know. Maybe you know. And at the end of this trail you have a view of this big, huge, gigantic, enormous bridge.
Yeah, there's a lot of steel involved here. It's huge. The bridge is 3,030 feet long.
The arch is 1,700 feet long.
The roadway is 876 feet.
To celebrate the completion of the bridge day is there, and that's on the 3rd Saturday of October every year. And it's a big festival on the bridge. You can walk on the bridge, there's music and food of course. So that's awesome. If you're here, go there.
2 statues of liberties and 1 Washington monument can fit under the arch with 20 feet to spare.
The bridge was completed on October 22 in 1977 and it reduced the time to drive from 45 minutes to just 1 minute.
Nice.
Otherwise you had to drive down the gorge on steep steep roads, and now you can just take the bridge.
There are 178 steps to the viewing platform down below. Because there are a lot of mining activities down in the gorge. Well, not anymore, it's overgrown now, but back in the days there were a lot of coal mines here.